Hey, this is Mark the Meerkat with Grok Trade with the trade of the day. That's right, from the Grok Grad day trading chat room. Hey, it was on SAVA. It was having a terrific day. It was up about 50% here when we started to look at it and did a bull pullback here, and then it was high basing. If you want to know more about what a high base is, just go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com, freeonlinetradingeducation.com, and go to chart school right here. It's free. And here it goes. Here's the different trading patterns here that we would focus on when we're in the day trading or in our swing trading. And this was on a high base, and it's over here on the bullish side, and it's a high base right there. Click on that, and here you have a picture of it. It runs up here and it's starting to run under a line of resistance, and you can just read the description here. Here's a couple of examples of it here from daily charts here. That's some examples of them, and we have it for all the different trading patterns. And so here it was just starting to set up this high base here, so I set a trade right up here, right here where these wicks are, at the 29.90 area. Let's see what happened next here, and boom, there it goes. It just ran up here. Boom, boom, boom. Now I'm in here at 29.91. I am long on SAVA. Set my stop here just 1% behind there, and it immediately shot up here in the next 2 minutes. These are 1-minute candles, by the way. And right here to the 31 now at resisting area, and then it popped above that, and then started to pull back in the next candle. So I went ahead and I had a half order ready. I took out half right here on the next candle. As it pulled back here, I took it out at a 31.10 for 4% on the first half, and then I immediately set my second stop right here by the 8 EMA at the time, and then it immediately did what? It wicked down here and got me out at 30.61. It wicked down and got me out here, and for 2.3% on the second half. So let's take a quick look at this trade, and it was a quick one. It was high basing here, and it broke out, and I got in, and when it was stalled here at 31, when it pierced out but came back, I went ahead and I took out my half, and then it immediately pierced down and got me out of the second half for a total of 3.2% in 6 minutes. Sometimes trades are pretty quickly there. And then look what happened after that here. In fact, I have to move this down. Watch this. Here's what happened after that. Boom, and it went all the way up here to 34.87, which is actually the high of day at the time I'm recording this, just after 12 noon Eastern time. And it started to pull back, and then right now it was up over 50% for the day, and then it's pulled back, and it pulled back, and there were shorts available initially, and now there are no shorts available here as it's pulling back, and right down here, and it's pulling back down here to $27 now. So from the high of day down here to that range, it's dropped 22% here in the last hour. Wow. And with no shorts available, oh well, but it's still up 37% on the day. Hey, just remember that even if a trading pattern is textbook and looks pretty on the chart, doesn't mean it's going to follow through. You know why? Because markets don't read the textbooks. Trade well, and may your winners run.